Hi, welcome to Life in 360. This video is a much needed video for every homemaker. I'm really happy to share my experience with my new kitchen mate. It is not just a product review video, it is a video which I'm going to show you the output of this product and also the usage of this one. So let's skip into the video. This video is all about Kuvings Multipot. So we are well known about the terms like cook pot, instant pot and multi-pot. This one is a multi-pot with a multi-utility usages. I have tried a large variety of dishes using this multi-pot and I'm going to share this in detail in this video. So let's start with unboxing. So before starting the video, I want to share that this is not a promotional video. The most important thing about this video is actually it makes your time efficient one and it will be very helpful for every mom and working moms. Inside the box we have a cookbook and the instruction manual. Inside the cookbook there is a lot of recipes with time adjustment and menu settings. Everything is given in details and you can make use of that one. I bought the instant pot and the accessories separately. Also, I have shared my experience with those accessories in this video. It looks so stylish and little bit heavy. It is actually a 6-liter instant pot made with stainless steel inner pot and with 14 cooking menu options. It comes with an advanced functions like real-time cooking process indicator on LCD screen and delay start functioning. So you no need to worry about its working process because when you buy this product they will provide you a virtual demo for free. That demo is really useful because they gave all the instructions separately and very usefully. What you are seeing is a water collector. You have to check it regularly and if there is any water you have to clean it. The touch screen comes with so many food menu options. The product comes with a 5-year warranty and with 1-year warranty on the product while we register it. It has a bigger display with feather touch buttons and also have delicate buttons for hours and minutes setting. So if you are double-minded to choose a normal cooker with this multi-pot, I'm damn sure because this one is great because it gives a lot of comfort while cooking. It is really a boon to cooking lovers as well as for the ones who definitely not like cooking because it saves your time. Also, within a single instant pot you can make so many dishes. After buying this multi-pot, it has replaced so many utensils in my kitchen. It is really easy to clean. Always remember you have to use only with the inner stainless steel pot because if this area is connected with water, it may lead to electric shock. Always remember to clean your stainless steel inner pot before placing it in the surface. For beginners, you no need to worry because learning is so easy and it is really very helpful one. So here I am going to share you some of my cooking recipes with this multi-pot, and remember the pressure knob will be in the ceiling while you are cooking and after cooking release to venting. So while you're programming saute, you no need to cover it up with the lid because you can use it as a pot and for other menu options it is necessary to close the lid. Since this product is new to our market, I had a lot of questions and doubt before buying this one. But actually this one is a real happiness because it consumes less effort and time to cook and it is so easy. It has a keep on function so that the food stays hot for a long time. Here are some of the dishes which I have tried and it came out very well. I am very damn sure because if you start using this one, you are going to replace a lot of product in your kitchen. So if you are aware about Oppo's cooking method, it will be very useful for you to make a lot of variety of dishes in a single pot. So if you have any questions related to the product and any query, please feel free to DM me, and you can just check in Instagram Life in 360 page and you can send me a message. Also, the most important thing is share your feedback about this product in the comment section. It will be very useful for the new buyers. Any dishes like veg or non-veg, whatever may be, you can make it so simple, and within a short period of time you can make it ready. So buying a product, using it, everything went well, but the most important thing to concern is all about the customer support. If there is any feedback or if there is any defect, we need to contact them. So I wanted to share this because the support team of Kuvings is really very good, because they handle every situations very well, and they have a WhatsApp group. You can just log a complaint towards them and they will call you back, and if there is any query or any defects or any disadvantages, they will handle the issues so smoothly. I tried so many dishes using this Kuvings Multipot and everything came out really very well. If you want to make idlis or momos, you need an accessory set. So these accessories are really useful for me because you can make cakes, idlis and so many items using this one. You can also buy it in a single package. Always remember, the inner pot will be very hot after the program. So these accessories help me a lot for making more cooking options. Being a mom is not an easy task. Making healthy food is our primary task, and it needs a lot of dedication and time. Cooking saves your time and it really helps you for making the dishes so simple. It is still the king in my kitchen and it is my favorite one. Try and share your feedback in the comment section. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching. Do subscribe Life in 360 for more review videos. Thank you.